Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to start our new exercise 2.3. You can take page number 41 in your NCERT textbook. This exercise is fully based upon how to multiply a fraction and a fraction. In previous class what we have discussed? We are multiplying a fraction and a whole number. Here we are going to multiply a fraction and a fraction. You can take page number 41 children. Okay. Now we are going to continue. We are going to start our exercise 2.3. Okay, you can take page number 41 for your reference. Okay children. Actually this exercise is fully based upon how to multiply a fraction and a fraction. We have discussed about this concept in our refreshing class session, I think so. Okay, so we are going to multiply a fraction and a fraction. Okay, what is the first question? Find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 3. So actually we are going to find the multiplication of 1 by 4 with these three things. Okay, of means what? It is a multiplication, right? So shall I start from here? 1 by 4 of A, I am doing 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Is it correct? 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Now multiplication, what you will do? You will multiply numerator into numerator and write. Denominator into denominator and write. 1 ones are 1. 4 fours are 16. So 1 by 16 is our answer. Now we are going to start our B. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Is it correct? 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Now 1 3s are 3. 4 5s are 20. So this is your answer. Next C. 1 by 4 into C is what? 4 by 3. 1 4s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Is there any possibility to cancel it? Yes. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 3 is our answer. So listen. 1 by 4 is multiplied with this. 1 by 4 is multiplied by this. 1 by 4 is multiplied by this. I am just finding three different answers. Okay. Next. Second subdivision. So for second subdivision also I am going to start with A. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. Of means what? Multiplication. 2 by 9. Is it? 1 into 2, 2. 9 sevens are 63. Is there any possibility to cancel? No. So this is our answer. B. 1 by 7 into B is what? 6 by 5. 1 6 are 6. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 1 6 are 6. 7 5s are 35. Is there any possibility to cancel this? No. C. 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. 1 into 3, 3. 7 tens are 70. Is there any possibility to cancel? No. So this answer is 3 by 70. Understood? Next is your second question. What is the second question given? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Actually we are going to multiply it and you will get an answer, right? If that answer is possible to cancel it, you should do it. That is our second question. Okay, if possible you should do it. Okay, so it is a fraction and here is a mixed fraction. So can we multiply it directly? No. What you will do? You will actually convert this mixed fraction into improper, right? Multiplication addition. Okay, now 2 by 3 as such into 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Okay, now both has become like a normal fraction. Now 2 8s are 16. 3 3s are 9. Okay, is there any possibility to convert it or cancel it? We can't cancel it. So shall I do it in mixed fraction? Why? Because it looks like a improper. So we have to convert it into mixed, right? 9, 16 I will write. 9 ones are 9. Remainder 7. So what is my answer? 1, 7 by 9. Okay, so actually what I have done, I have converted this to improper, mixed to improper I have converted. 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9. Now I have converted this to mixed fraction, 1 7 by 9. Understood? Next, second question. Here both are like fractions. So like both looks like a fraction, it not looks like any mixed. So what shall we do? Shall we multiply it? 2 7s are 14. 7 9s are 63. Is there any possibility to cancel it? Yes. How means both comes in 7th table. 7 2s are 14. 7 9s are 63. So what is my answer? 2 by 9. It is a proper fraction. So you need not to be you need not to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, because here itself you can cancel it and write. Numerator, denominator is there. 7 7 you can cancel. 2 by 9 you can write. Or you can multiply it and you can write, cancel it. But you should reduce to lowest form, because our question itself is that if you stop till this, you won't get full mark. Okay, you should reduce it and write. Okay, now 6 3s are, because both are fractions. Now shall I multiply it directly? Yes. 6 3s are 18. 8 4s are 32. Is it? Yes. Shall we cancel this? Yes, because both comes in 2 table. 9 2s are 18. In 2 table 1 3 16. So 16 2s are 32. Now shall we cancel these two? No. So what shall we do now? 9 by 16 is our answer. See, 6 3s are 18. Divided by 8 4s are 32. In 2 table we can cancel it. 9 2s are 16. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1. So 12. 6 2s are 12. So 9 by 16 is our answer. Okay, now this also looks like normal fraction. 9 3s are 27. 5 5s are 25. Can we able to cancel these two? No. 9 3s are 27. 5 5s are 25. Can we cancel this? No. It looks like a improper fraction? Yes. So what shall we do? You will convert it into mixed. 25 ones are 25, remainder 2. So 1 2 by 25. So this is my answer. 1 2 by 25 is my answer. Remaining 3 problems, which is 5th, 6th, 7th is your homework. Okay children? Next is your third question. Multiply the following fractions. So what I am just going to do is, we are going to multiply this fraction. This is like a normal fraction and this is like a mixed fraction, is it? Is it looks like that? Yes. So what shall we do now? We should convert it into improper. Multiplication, addition. Now 2 by 5 as such into 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Did you got this a mixed fraction? Yes. Now shall we multiply as such? 21 into 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 42. 42 divided by 5 4s are 20. Okay, 21 into 2 is 42, 5 4s are 20. This can we cancel it? Yes. In 2 table, 21. This 10 times, is it? So what is my answer? 21 by 10. Is it correct? 21 by 10. This looks like a improper fraction. So what shall we do? We should convert it into mixed. 10, 20. So 10 twos are 20, remainder 1. So what is my answer? 2 1 by 10. Okay, 2 1 by 10 is my answer. Okay, now next question. It is a mixed fraction, it is like normal fraction. So shall we convert it? Multiplication, addition. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. Now shall we multiply these two? Yes. 32 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 1. 7 3s are 21, 22. Now 224 divided by 9 5s are 45. Is it? Yeah, can we cancel this? No, we can't cancel because it does not come in third table like that. So what shall we do? We can convert it into mixed fraction. 45, 224. Is it? 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 22. So it is 225. So we have to do 45 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So 45 into 4 is 180. Okay, 4 1 here I am just doing this calculation. 44. So what is my mixed fraction? 4. 44 divided by 45. So this is my mixed fraction. Okay, understood? Next, third, 32 into 5 1 by 3. Okay, 5 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction, so I am converting it into improper. 3 by 2 into 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Okay, now shall we cancel it directly like this itself? Or you can multiply it, cancel, no problem. I am just doing a easy calculation. I am just doing, see, 3 3 cancel, 2 1 times, 8 2s are 16. So 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 1. 8 by 1 is 8. So answer is what? 8. Actually what I am just doing is I am just converting this into mixed fraction to improper. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 1 times, this 8 times. So 8 by 1, 8 is our answer. Next, fourth question. 5 by 6 as such into 2 3 by 7 into plus 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Okay, now 15 into 17. So 5 into 17. I am just multiplying. 7 5s are 35. 8. So 17 into 5 is 85 by 6 7s are. What is the 6 7s are? 42. Okay. Now shall we cancel these two? No. So what shall we do now? We can divide it. 42 85. Okay. Now 42 into 2. 4 8. 84 is coming. So 42 into 2 84. Remainder 1. So 2 1 by 42. So 2 1 by 42 is the answer for this question. Okay, understood? Next is your fifth question. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Multiplication, addition. So now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 5. Okay, into 4 by 5. Now shall we multiply this? 17 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 2 4 1s are 4 plus 2 68. 68 divided by 7 5s are 35. Shall we able to cancel this? No. So shall I divide it because it is an improper fraction. 35 68. 35 1 times 35. Okay, answer is 33. So 133 divided by 35 is our mixed fraction. 133 divided by 35 is our mixed fraction. Remaining two problems is there, no? 6th and 7th is your homework. Okay children, understood? Today's class we have discussed first, second and third problem. This is fully multiplying a fraction and a fraction. Okay. I have given few problems as homework which is related to that. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you.